Hey everyone, it's a beautiful day today. I've been craving Malaysian style Chee Cheong fun, which is rice noodles topped with a savory sweet sauce. I initially wanted to make the version I had in KL that I think was made with ground bean paste and a chili sauce. I haven't been able to find a recipe, so if you guys know of one, please let me know in the comments below. Instead, I'm making a hoisin based sauce, which is relatively easy to make. It's pretty much hoisin sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and water. I found a few recipes that use maltose, and it actually gives the sauce a little bit more depth and sweetness. Fun fact, my mom told me she would take a spoonful of maltose and eat it like a lollipop when she was younger. This sauce is really easy to make. I boiled it for a few minutes until it started to thicken and coated the back of a spoon. These are fresh rice noodle sheets that were actually pretty difficult to separate, so I cut them into strips and steamed them for a few minutes to soften and warm up a bit. I was looking at some YouTube videos, and some restaurants in Malaysia actually serve their cheong fun with Yong Tau Foo, fish cakes, as well as fried tofu skins. I thought about making Yong Tau Foo, but maybe that would be a separate video instead. Make sure the sauce is piping hot, and if you have it on hand, I highly suggest adding some fried tofu skin. I also added some toasted sesame seeds and chopped green onions for garnish. This Chee Cheong fun is super easy to make, and it's one of my favorite breakfasts. The fish cakes were super bouncy, but I think the best part of the dish is actually the fried tofu skin. It's crunchy, gives you that contrast in texture, and it goes really well with the sweet sauce. Thank you guys for cooking with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll see you guys in the next one.